With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. Video, we are discussing question number 1. Implement the task scheduling algorithm on your system to minimize the total amount of time spent in the system for the following problems. Job 15210 and service time 3748. So if you need answer of this question, contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching.